What's up, guys? It's your boy Chris from Tint My Ride. Today we're working on a Honda Civic Hatchback. Doing an install of Taillight tint, dark smoke, preferably. So let me guys show you one that's done and the next one that we're going to be working on. So this is the completed version. So it's dark smoked on this side, as you can see, and then this part also, and then on the top we went with a black top. That way it doesn't look like just this. And so the reason I like to do it like this way, and I let customers know that it will look better this way, is because of the back spoiler. Just to have it finished off in one piece, it will look so much better than it just being like that, in a way. But yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys the install process. It's pretty smooth, it's not too bad. You do have to do a few recesses in areas of like here, 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 and then here. That way no bubbling or peeling occurs down the road. But cool, let's do it. So for this install process, the tools I recommend using are glove, squeegee, blade, and knife and stick. As well as for heat source, you can use a heat gun or either a flamethrower. Those options are usually perfectly good. You just really have to be careful when you're using a flamethrower, because it's lethal. And the material that we're using for this job is going to be by Vivid for the Taillight tint, dark smoke, and 3M 2080 gloss black for that top piece on the taillight. So to get started, what I'm going to do is first focus on this piece and this just general area of the taillight. That way we can recess this area first. And then just have this like no tension and tension free. To get started, I recommend just starting off with a microfiber towel and then alcohol and water to clean it up. Alcohol and water allows that water to evaporate and just kind of dry up faster rather than just using straight water to clean the taillight. So what you'll do is you'll get streaks everywhere. Alcohol and water, it just dries up instantly. Next is you can use air tools to kind of block the dust and debris off the taillight. If you don't have that access to that, you can either use an air compressor. If you don't have access to an air compressor, you can also use a blow dryer too, or a blower. Let's get started. Go ahead and peel off your taillights in. Get ready. So this is what it should generally look like when you're working with it. So doing it like this allows it to be tension free, as I mentioned before. Give you guys a closer look at what this looks like. Sorry, I'm trying to get into focus. Yeah, so that corner right there, I'll use an arrow to highlight it and everything. But that is one of the main focuses of this taillight. Luckily, this generation or this Civic taillight isn't too deep as most of the newer generation Civics are. This taillight actually allows you to get the material in there a lot nicer and smoother. So next, I'm gonna show you guys how to get all this kind of to like overlap. So. Your taillight should be looking like this. And so if you can see, the reason why I recommend doing this portion on the top black is because of this. I mean, you can take the film and then wrap the whole thing, but in my preference, I honestly think this is a better option. Okay, so next up is this piece right here. This one's pretty easy, not too bad. You don't really have to deal with any curves or edges other than this top part, or any honestly crazy curves. You do have to recess this part in, so you guys can see that right there. That's as far as the only probably difficult thing about this one. Other than that, pretty easy, so straightforward. Get that on there and show you the process. now we're finished with the install. Vivid gloss black with 3M on the top. So tell me what you guys think. If you guys like this version, or maybe if you guys like it the other way where it's not black on top and fully. But personally, I think that's a good finish. But cool, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out our other content as well, and stay tuned for other stuff to be posted as well. See ya.